How's it going? Welcome to this video and channel. My name is TJ and I'm a full-time digital marketer, and today I'm going to be talking about TikTok and how you can use it to scale your business. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel by clicking that subscribe button below this video, and also click that notification bell so you do not miss out on any future content and potential bonuses. So let's go back to the topic. TikTok has become very popular lately, and many people are turning to TikTok for free advertising, and you can do that as well. So I've started my TikTok channel or TikTok account last month, and I'm already at more than 700 subscribers, almost at 800, and that has helped me to generate leads for my business. And guess what? It's completely free, and I just have to make 15-second videos. One of the best strategies to gain awareness for your personal or business brand is to dominate a social media app just like this one that is new and growing exponentially. So here are some of my tips and tricks, or strategies if you like, to actually stand out and grow your business on TikTok. So the first one is that you need to join viral trends. If you want to grow on TikTok, you need to participate in challenges and the trends of the day, weeks or months. It's so easy to find them. Just watch a couple of videos on your For You page, and when you see the same dance song moves over and over again, then this is a trend. So pick that same song and the movement and do it too. Since TikTok is inherently a musical centric platform, taking a look at the top performing songs being utilized by users is also a great indication of what the trends are on the app. The second strategy is to post at the right time. Just like any other social media, timing is everything. You need to check out your statistics and see at what time you have the best engagement with the audience. You need to establish where your followers are. TikTok now offers the chance to turn your normal user account into a pro account. So pro accounts come with a set of new features, one of which includes analytics. You will find that in your privacy settings and in your privacy area and settings area. So get to know your audience and try to understand how frequently and at which hours they're using the TikTok app. This will help you create a posting schedule that minimizes the chances of posting videos during parts of the day when they get the least amount of exposure. Also, you can Google and type in TikTok best timing, and the article will tell you what are the best times around the world to post on TikTok. The third strategy is to check out your competition. You need to see what other people are doing if they are in the same industry as you are. Checking out celebrities' accounts won't hurt as well. Some accounts, for example, like Dwayne Johnson, Will Smith, or Ellen DeGeneres, are extremely original and unique in the way they have chosen to establish themselves on the app. You will see that you need to vary the content. Also, if you see that someone is in your niche, then see how often that person posts and what type of content, what kind of music they're using, and so on and so on. So TikTok is about colors, music, and filters, and play with that. The fourth strategy is to diversify your hashtags. You never know when you will go viral if you experiment with different hashtags. Unless you are already an established business elsewhere on social media, people will most likely not be searching for you on TikTok. Thus, you need to take control and bring your business to them. This is done through the use of hashtags, which are the single most important metric that can place your content on front of users. For example, if you were to upload a video for a car dealership, you might include a few popular hashtags like hashtag for you, hashtag viral video, or hashtag FYP. You might also research and include niche-defined TikTok hashtags as well. For example, hashtag fast cars, hashtag car owner, hashtag car dealership, and so on and so on. And the fifth strategy is to be entertaining and short. If your content is original, be sure it's not serious in its nature. As I mentioned in this video, TikTok is a place for entertainment and not subtle sales pitches. Your content should be witty, hilarious, and with satisfying actions that can be integrated with educational elements as well. And the most important thing is to keep your videos short. This is not YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. Be concise and keep it under 60 seconds. Between 15 and 30 seconds, those are the videos that are the best. So if you're still not sure how to start, you can join a great program, and this is the limited time only at this price. It's a TikTok course and it's only $1. So you will get a TikTok training course for only $1, and you will get a coach that can help you start and scale your business. As you can see here, it's only $1. So you can get this course if you click that link below this video. In the description box, you will find the link, click it and sign up and get started with TikTok. When you click that link, you will see testimonials of people who had tremendous success on this platform, and this course will help you get there as well.